Hello, Wendy Antonucci here, and I am with Cocoa Daisy at the memory keeping team. And this is actually my last post as the memory keeping team. I will still be a part of the planning team, but my life and my family's has gotten a little bit busy, and I am just not memory keeping like I used to. I have been with the Cocoa Daisy memory keeping team for 2 years now, and I have a whole slideshow of some of my favorites and the kits that they came from, and just some of the things that I really enjoyed about each kit. Before we go there though, I have a huge giveaway. It is only for those in the United States, as international would kill me with the shipping. But this is the, it's pretty much the September and the October kit leftover. So I have the papers that I've not used are here. You can see most all of them I've cut. I think pretty much everything is here. Some of these papers from October. You can see some of the pages that I've created this month. I love the 6x6 pages, and a lot of times I'm able to create just out of those. So then I try to save these for others. I had some ideas for these, but I'm just not getting there right now. So it's time for someone else to enjoy these. So here's pretty much everything from September and October. Here's some of these pages left. And the 6x6 pages. I have, and you can't really see these, I have 2 of the stamp sets, the Fall for You and Pumpkin Spice with the little fox. He was really cute. And I have these, the clips. I have the Photo Play die cuts, and then all these lovely, fun chipboard pieces. I have used a few of these, so these are not all brand new. The Gratitude Notebook, and I have 2 of these for some reason, the chipboard pieces. I've got all the die cuts. I also have the the puffy stickers and such. And some of the planner pieces are in here because I've just included everything that I had left. And I think that is about all. Oh, and then can't forget these. I love these things. And the orange pen that came with the planner kit. I also, so that's the Cocoa Daisy part. Because this is such a fall and a Halloween kit, I wanted to also add in some of the paper house products I have that we don't really do Halloween, so I have a lot of things that I would like to pass on to someone that would enjoy them. Okay, so it's mostly Cocoa Daisy and a few extras just thrown in there to make a really nice set. So all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and if you're already subscribed, that's great. Either way, just leave a comment in the below, and I will choose a winner. So stay tuned, and you can see all of my favorite pages that I've created and what month they came from. There's such a wide variety with Cocoa Daisy. It's something that I am so proud to have been a part of. And if I had more time, I would stay a part of, but it's time for someone else to enjoy that spot. So thank you, Cocoa Daisy, for 2 amazing years as a part of the memory keeping team. I am so excited to continue on as a planner and still memory keep in a new way. Thanks for joining me. Bye.
Here are my creations for October. My All About Me Traveler's Notebook. A page that needs a picture as soon as I find one. I've really been enjoying making cards lately. For me, it is a quick creative outlet, and these are actually made from the Day in the Life cards. This is my favorite page. It was about our Toy Story land in Magic Kingdom, or MGM. Working in my Project Life album. The March kit had some great papers and a lot of fussy cutting. The April kit, we had this fun page that I just had to use. The May kit was all about color, just beautiful color. And again in June, just those beautiful colors and some of those cut files. August had some soft colors, and they all went well. September, we had this lovely paper with this big graphic that I cut out. October was fall, and you can see those pumpkins again. I love the November kit. I love that I was able to take this notebook and make a background. This was another page I made. This was a Halloween picture with a Christmas kit. Here's the December 2017 kit. I love how this one turned out. February 2018, we had some mixed media stuff in there. This one was all about the title, and I love it. Some more Project Life in April with the soft colors. June was all about beach, which is perfect for us. And my September All About Me Traveler's Notebook.